Have you ever heard the sharp buzzing sound of a robber fly? These powerful flying insects produce sound when its wings beat very fast in the air. The rapid wings movement creates a strong buzzing noise as it flies around. Robber flies are expert hunters. They often fly quickly, chase other insects, and catch them in mid-air. The buzzing sound can hear is not just noise. It is the sound of the fast predator moving through its environment. Sometimes the sound becomes louder when the robber fly suddenly takes off or changes direction while hunting.